Open your Chrome browser and search swayam. After searching swayam, you can click on the first link, swayam central. After that, we need to do sign in or register. You can get on the top right corner. After that, you can sign in with your Microsoft account or Google account, or you can sign in manually with other accounts such as Yahoo. After continuing with the Google account, you can follow the same process I am showing in this video. Finally, you had registered with your mail ID. Now let's go to courses and explore the courses. Click on my courses after going to the mail ID, and next in the below you can see the explore courses. You can click on that. If you want NPTEL course or any other type course which are present in swayam, you can select that, and next there are mainly 3 types of courses in NPTEL: 12 weeks, 8 weeks and 4-week course. As per your college recommendation or else your interest, you can choose the course. You can explore the all courses, otherwise you can search the course name on the top. The results will be shown as per your query, and next you can explore the course details in detail, how many weeks course, and what time it is starting and what time it is ending, by which professor it is taught, and what are the outcomes of this course, and how to get the certificate, how much fee need to be paid for the course certificate. You can get all the details, and next click on the join. After coming to this page, my profile, in this page we need to enter all details such as name, mobile number, date of birth, gender, country, pin code, state, district, profession, highest qualification, year of graduation, academic bank of credits, is your college is part of swayam NPTEL or not, next college name and register number. Enter all details carefully without any mistakes. Related to academic bank credit, please ask in your college. If you are not a student, then you will not be needed of ABC ID, so please don't ignore it. Next, is your college is a part of local swayam chapter? First click on S and enter the state and search for it. If your college is not found, then you can keep no. After filling all details, click on save button to enroll in the course. Then finally you have registered in the cloud computing course. You can explore the each and every point as mentioned in your home page of the course to know in detail. If you want more information about NPTEL or of any particular course, please comment below. I will try to answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends and take care. Bye.